It's 2 a.m. in a clinic in Uganda. A woman is in labor and the decision is made to perform an emergency cesarean section to save both mother and child. Suddenly, the lights go out. Nurses fumble for flashlights or candles, anything that can provide the precious light needed to perform the surgery. Unfortunately, this scenario is all too common in developing nations. In parts of Africa, the electrical grid is only available 15 to 25% of the time. This means that 75 to 85% of the time, there is no reliable source of power and thus no lighting to perform urgent medical procedures.
We represent MHEAL, a nonprofit group interested in starting healthcare-related social ventures. We aim to solve this problem by creating low-cost surgical lamps that can automatically switch to battery power in case of grid failure. Providing reliable lighting is only part of the solution. A complete solution requires sustainability, implementing a technology that can be serviced on-site without expensive custom parts or expertise. To address this necessity, we are using parts that are readily available, even in developing countries, such as PC power supplies, a car battery, and car headlights. This also contributes to affordability, keeping the cost under $200 per unit, which is feasible in developing countries according to our preliminary market research.
We are currently working on a stage 1 prototype that will be tested in Uganda at the end of October. Revisions will be made to the design and we will again test it in the field in the spring of 2009. We are also working on a market assessment to determine which location is best for initial implementation of these lamps. We are doing this by working with relevant groups and individuals within the University of Michigan and in the surrounding communities.
Distributions of these lamps will occur in phases. At first, all lamps will be manufactured in the U.S. and sold at low cost to clinics overseas, with revenue reinvested back in continued lamp production. Once the wide-scale effectiveness of the lamp has been proven, design blueprints will be distributed to local entities, shifting production from the U.S. to the developing countries themselves.
MHEAL's team is comprised of a diverse and enthusiastic group of undergraduate and graduate students from engineering, medicine, and related disciplines. We have individuals with engineering, design, leadership, international, and other experiences all coming together to work on this venture.
We are requesting pre-seed funding to refine and build a lamp prototype, which will enable us to establish a proof of concept and continue market and field research. Success in these areas will then prepare us for pursuing significant funding to begin larger scale operations.
We know the problem.
We have a solution.
We can save lives.
Thank you.